Welcome to the channel, everyone. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell for more awesome reviews. Today, we're exploring a fantastic find for young aspiring builders, the Melissa and Doug Construction Worker Costume Set. This 6-piece deluxe playset is designed to ignite hours of imaginative pretend play for kids aged 3 to 6. You'll immediately notice the quality. This set includes a realistic safety vest with reflective strips and a utility tool belt, a durable hard hat, safety goggles, a toy hammer, a saw, and a reusable name tag. Melissa and Doug focuses on well-crafted products. The vest is comfortable, machine washable, and built for repeated wear. Plus, the hard hat and goggles are adjustable, ensuring a perfect fit as your little one grows. This costume truly sparks creativity and learning. It inspires storytelling, roleplay, and imaginative expression, letting children explore life as a builder. For kids who adore construction and creative adventures, this set is a must-have. It's versatile for all occasions, from everyday pretend play, school events, and career day, to Halloween, Christmas, birthdays, or just adding excitement to any afternoon. Melissa and Doug has been a leader in wholesome, screen-free play for over 35 years, known for durable, high-quality toys that last. This construction set is no exception. Its rugged accessories withstand tough, active play. And don't just take my word for it. This set boasts an impressive 4.7 out of 5 stars from nearly 2,000 ratings. Customers consistently praise its great quality, especially the vest, helmet, and tools. They call it super fun for little kids and a fantastic addition to their imagination, a cute outfit definitely worth the money. While some mention the size can be a bit roomy, most appreciate the space for growth, ensuring years of enjoyment. So, if you're looking for a gift that combines fun, education, and durability, the Melissa and Doug Construction Worker Costume Set is an excellent choice. It promises endless hours of imaginative, hands-on fun, empowering your child to build their dreams, one pretend project at a time.